I am actually, good morning. Well, I'm not for a couple reasons, but it is Friday. There is no market on Monday. That makes me sad. When the stock market's not open, it's when I'm the unhappiest. And I haven't been happy lately because I'm sitting here rooting for it to go down, bro. I want to buy and make money. I can't make money sitting on my hands. Freaking tired. I only got about 5 hours of sleep. Got to sleep late. I was playing Sudoku. And it was like 10 o'clock, past my bedtime. Woke up 3:45. That's kind of like the oh shit. Oh shit, gotta go pee. I could have just made it about another hour or so. That would have been Gucci. All right. Rocket Lab just, no. Rocket Lab's green. They have a new grid mode. I don't know where that is. Fixed income. What's that? Interesting. I don't know how to do bonds. Need to figure this out sometime. I mean, do I just buy that? This is what scared me the last time I looked at it. When market interest rates rise, the price of the existing bond will lower fixed yields. Because the new bond, if you sell the treasury before, you sell treasury before maturity date at a rising, you can realize a loss. So as long as I hold to maturity, no. How do I can't spell anymore. Mature. I'm not mature any. Wow. There is no risk. Dr. Payne in the house. How you doing, brother? First like, first person here. Pretty much, yes. Should we dabble in some bonds? Request quote, maturity, quantity 10. Well, how's that? I can't buy less. So I got to rock 100,000. The trade cost is 10 grand. What? I need help. Is it, computer acting up? Maturity date. The maturity date's 5 days. Soft quotes. What you receive at maturity. You're looking to buy 10 units. Order size, limit price. Estimated cost $99.80. You're buying a very short term. This is low. So I'm only gonna do this for fucking $1.90. Yeah. We want to go like here. This to make 90. Quantity 10. Are they $1,000 each? Yes. So I can do 100 to make 900. Let's go 6. Come on, $100. Couple grand. All right. Interesting. Today I learned. Where's this grid view? They show a commercial for it and play a song that lasts forever. Oh, interesting. Tesla down $1. And you can buy here. Interesting. This might be my new place to do stock purchases. It is. Rocket Lab up 2. Still in the money on my puts. Not much to see. E-minis up 6. NASDAQ up 30. I don't see any real reason for the markets to rally today. Who wants to hold a bunch of risk on a 3-day weekend? I feel like Trump in Iran. It's Iran, man. I talked to my boy last night. He called me from Iran. He always he used to live with me for a while, and I was always playing Savage Mode by 21 Savage. I was into that at the time. And he's like, "What is this Savage Mode?" Now every time he calls, he's like, "What is this Savage Mode?" All right. What is this Savage Mode he speaks of, my friend? I had to explain it to him. Coinbase up 12. Holy shit. Is Bitcoin pumping? That's a big move. They were down on earnings too. Maybe they're just making a bit of a... How are they up 11? Oh, they must have they opened up after being down big. So they're basically where they were. Tesla, I need Tesla to crash about another $40 minimum. We went straight to the 617, got rejected. It was beautiful. Actually, you didn't. But I'm sure he'll say he nailed it. We nailed the Qs 617. Went right to the line. Yeah, right to the line minus a fucking 0.1.2. And me, Kevin, roll, that's close enough for government work. And did it go to this? Did we go down to 607? Because that's what he was talking about. Nope, 600. And then this morning, all the way down to 596. I'm sure he has. Oh, we overshot it and we went to my other number. I'm sure that's in there. Me? I'm just patiently waiting. I don't like market actions, no limits. That no limit guy has gotten really popular on Twitter. I don't know if he's worth his weight in gold, but he says everyone wishes they would have followed him, and he's called this one shows up on my feed like once every month or so. It pops back in. But he says he's called every market top and bottom for the last 10 years. When someone says that, you know they're full of shit. There is no one that has called every market top and bottom for the last 10 years. Period. For everyone saying that ICE agents are just doing their job, we'll send them to your neighborhood. If I got a bunch of hardened illegal immigrants in my neighborhood, I'd welcome them. I'm not welcoming them to get rid of. I'm, as I've said numerous times, I don't have a problem with illegal immigrants grinding. I respect the hustle. you know, whether it's construction, mowing lawns, plumbing, cutting down trees, earning a paycheck, paying their taxes. I'm all for it. I'm, I don't know how an illegal immigrant gets paid and pays taxes. So it's a gray area. I do think business owners hiring legal immigrants. I know it's tough, man, especially in like California, you know? It's almost impossible for a small business to be successful in California. All the taxes and regulations. Fucking nuts, dude. Fucking nuts, bro. So there's a lot of variables. Jason Appleton, Cardano run to 140 from here like last time. Fucking clown. He was $30 Cardano this year. Fucking idiot. He's shilling his own Pro Score. What the? I'm in a swear mood this morning. Crow. He's a hustler. I'll give him that. Smarter fundamental scoring for the top. Get pro access. Why would this has no chance? Is it score dimension? Unlock $14.99 a month. Oh, he has his own score. And 96 means buy. Well, I say don't buy. All right. Qs have gone red. Tesla slip sliding away. Like if I were to bet on anything, I would bet downward dog. Again, who wants to hold risk into a 3-day weekend with recent price action? And I welcome the nuke. And I get it. It sucks if you're holding. I get it, bro. Like there's times people like Dr. Payne will come into the fucking chat when I'm loaded to the gills and I don't want crypto to dump. No, I want it to dump so I can buy more. Now I'm the asshole. I want it to dump. You might be loaded to the gills in the stock market, needing it to stop. This is PvP. I would love us all to make money, but that's not going to happen right now. I opt for I'm rooting for the guys like me and Jason sitting on the sidelines like little bitches. No Limit was talking about how even you're not really you invest in the SPY. Historically, you're going to make 7% a year in the history of the SPY. Guess what? You know what the SPY is made of right now? Like 80% Mag 7. I just pulled the number out of my ass. So it's 34%. What did I say? 80? Yeah. I pulled a big number out of my ass. I could have sworn that's something like No Limit said. Either way, set 34 to 35% of the SPY is the Mag 7. And about 40% of the cubes, the NASDAQ. You know what that means? that basically that, I mean, it's pushing what the market's doing. When these stocks are up, the market is doing, it's holding it up, and it's barely been holding it up. And then all the other crap's not doing shit. So when these tank, watch out. Timber. Looks like we're losing it. Should I put on a short? Yep. A little late. Boom. I felt it in my bones. Burn it down. I'm ready to go shopping. The Kmart Blue Light Special. Who remembers that? Where's Jason at? He'll remember that shit. Go to the Kmart, get you an icy Blue Light Special. Such a simpler time then. No cell phones, no computers. Silver up $1.67, gold up 69. Corn 431. I think that means, what is it, 5,000? How many bushels of corn in futures contract? 5,000. So does that, if it is 431, what does that correlate to per bushel price? What's a bushel? 431 cents. Wow, how does that work? Oh, because it's 100. Where does the 5,000 come in? Oh, it's just, it controls 5,000. But it's per 100. I don't know, that makes my head hurt. So that's the price per bushel. And then the contract's worth 5,000 bushels notional value. And so you take, so it's a notional value of 22,000. Got it. I've traded corn before. Uh-oh. Nasdaq futures are trying to rally. Just like that, I'm down 80. Should I pile on? It's rallying hard, bro. Another classic Tom mistake. Fuck it. Nope. Getting waxed right now. This is why you don't trade futures, guys. Guys. Getting smashed. Just slowly bleed my IRA dry with dumb futures trades.
So we go, they're gonna take it as a threat, and it's gonna make them go crazy. So they have an albino silverback, right? Rare. They got an albino silverback. So we go, and it's just a glass in between us, and so we're walking by. So the whole time I'm thinking, I ain't looking in the eye. The man just told us, don't look him in the eye, right? So Shaq walks by, and he's looking straight like this, and then he just turns like this, and he looks in the right in the gorilla's eye, and that big ass albino gorilla ran up to the glass and started banging on the glass real hard. And it scared the first time I ever seen Shaq scared. I'm tough enough. And I immediately looked at Shaq and he said, damn, he wasn't lying. He going crazy. I said, yeah, he looking at you going, how the hell he get out there?
AI can now analyze any stock. This isn't going to be a lame ass post. That's pretty cool. Bad Bunny still wrecking my timeline. Lame ass movie Jason liked. go with another massive snowstorm that's going to destroy everyone. Is this it? I didn't. Is this something? Is this something? Ricky comes back from his cruise today, I think. He's probably pulling in right now. I think today's the last day. I would imagine they got to get the ship in early so that they can get it ready. Quick turnaround for the weekend. 3-day cruise. He probably tied one on. Let's see, Tuesday, Wednesday. Dr. Payne is back. Let's see. Oh, there's like a 96% chance of rain on Monday and Tuesday. So they entrap thieves to get into this box van to steal the boxes, and it's like all greased down. And then they take them on a ride for hell. I feel like that's a good way to get sued. These motherfuckers. Is this fake? And that's criminal. Oh shit. Oh yeah, that they could have died, bro. That's two white dudes fucking up. This is more criminal than what they're doing. In my opinion, is more criminal than these bros stealing shit. Why was there a spark there? That was, what is that? Like a lighter exploding or something? That's weird. Oh, it's the sun, I think. Did you see it up top there? No. This can't be real. And they're flying out the back, bro. And it looks like that has, is that, I mean, it's longer than 10 seconds or whatever. Yeah, get sued. That's more, dude. Johnny Be Good. Be good, be good. That was a good movie. How's everyone doing? You're like the only one. Oh, there's a few other people here, but they ain't talking. Be good, be good. No, 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 no. What happened? Oh, we're here. Yeah, I want to. This is AI, of course. Oh, that's a long AI, bro. I mean, I guess you can stitch them together. Yeah, fucking. Yeah, here we go. More AI. We're so cooked. Someone was posting on Twitter and it scared the shit out of me that within 90 days, you're not going to be able to use your email, your phone, your messaging because it's all these open claws are just, and it is scary, dude. People firing up these open claw farms, they could just fucking, and there's nothing. What are we going to do? What are you going to, I already get too many phone calls and it's ramped up. Is it because of OpenClaw and AI agents? I'm getting like, I don't know, 5 to 10 a day. Just, it's the worst. I don't even hardly read. The only time I check my emails, like if I order something from select few places here and there, like my peptides. Otherwise, Amazon, I can just check the orders, track that shit. That's where most of my ordering comes from. Amazon, I get packages almost every day. Just basically, it's going to get to the point where you just turn your phone off until you need it. And in case of emergency. Still waiting for it to dump. Closed on the new house. Congrats. The internet cannot replace fax machines from like 90 blah blah, but I'm sure AI will replace all jobs. Well, of course they're not going to do it in 5 months. Uh-oh. I'm getting destroyed. That's not what I wanted to see. I forgot I did this. And then I just saw the cubes were up a couple points and I knew I was screwed. 4-pager Jason in the house. Jason, you remember the blue light specials? Had a nice boom boom this morning, but I already feel another one brewing. One of these days, I'm going to click on your PDF and then all my crypto is going to be gone. Yeah, the deals. I'm waiting for the blue light special right now. Okay, we're starting to make a comeback on my trade. I could have panicked. Warned yesterday, do nothing unless we break 617. Stay cautious. Q's tank from 615 to 600. It's almost undeniable that we're in a liquidity crunch or new regime of some kind. The Qs have basically been straight down since Warsh. I don't know if that's accurate. Stair step down. Some point the market should recalibrate and start moving. Oh wow, what a fucking. And it makes sense. He's not going to be able to cut rates with jobs this strong. And it'll suck if we need him in a recession. Double bad. Yield curve. I don't really pay attention to the yield curve. The 2s and the 10s. Steepening. Inverse. Blah, blah, blah. One of the things in my tool belt I need to get a better grip on. It's one of those things he seemed to latch on and decided he wanted to make something that he understood. You missed it earlier, Jason. We were looking at some treasuries on Tasty Trade. I think people are just rejiggering due to AI fears, being racist. Many, frankly, very overblown, and we should be able to stabilize. Hence, still 5-5 on the bear bull. AMD to recover at 210. I mean, it looks like it got rejected at 210. Microsoft, a good one to watch and recover. I agree. If it recovers. Not showing any signs of that yet. Microsoft slowly recovering. I mean, yeah, it's recovered 2%. Oof. Yeah, that's slow. Apple's the darling. Yeah, valuation is rich. I kind of agree. And I'm not surprised by it because of all the people buying Mac minis. That was the, ooh. And that one is getting hammered today. Chris in the house. If 5-minute up and open, you're going to base your entire daily thesis on the first 5 minutes. Probably exit by lunch. If we drop 595 must hold. What happened to your 607? You just completely take that off. And easily be an easy up trade if we confirm 595. All right, I'm about to be green again. The Qs, you missed. I put a natty short on, and by natty I don't mean natty gas. A mini Nasdaq. Put one on, went against me. I piled on more, really went against me. I almost panicked, sold, and we're holding out. I'm saying there's a chance. Here we go. Should I add a third? No. But I don't think that was just a dead. I think, well, I mean, if I'm being what I think is going to happen today, either we'll close around flat or there'll be a sell off. No market on Monday. I don't know if I'm going to stream or not. We'll play it by ear. I mean, I kind of want to say I'm not going to stream just to give myself a break, but then Monday morning's going to come around. I'm going to be laying around with my dick in my hand. So I don't know if there's any real there's no reason for them really still shorting the bottom. This, first of all, I'm talking about the NASDAQ. You only trade crypto as far as I know. Second of all, the bottom's not in on either. You can take that to the bank, bitch. Bitcoin's up 2,800. And the cash. Bitcoin trying to rally. Let's take a look at the old Bitcoiners. Yeah, I told you the bottom was in. It's a nice little green candle. Nice little dead cat bounce happening right now because that's exactly what's happening. This is not going to be a rally. There is nothing on this chart that says the bottom is in. Let's find something. See if we can find something. Nope, lost another fib. We lost the fib and we back testing. We can't regain that fib. You're fucked, bro. If there's any weight to technical analysis, this is still not good. And there's no liquidity. This is up on like not a whole lot of volume. Like these are nice up moves if you swung trade it. Come on, NASDAQ, roll over. Oh, Rocket Lab's up $2. Aw. ASTS is what I'm watching, and I don't think I have that on here. We need to add that. Another one I'm interested in is RDW. It's a rocket style company. It's only like $1 billion. Stop saying like. It's only $1 billion, 1.2 billion or so. Pretty sure I have that on my watch list. I was reading a bit of a deep dive on it this morning. ASTS did $1 billion cash offering, so it got whacked at the bull market support band. This could be a good one to buy back ups eventually. Pretty fly for a white guy. Ooh, I sold that one. Opportune time to possibly buy it back. Look, I'm not buying shit back right now, guys. This is still wait and see. Is the bottom end? Maybe. I don't think so. I'm not betting on it right now. It's catching a falling knife. Catching falling knives are generally painful. There's a reason it's called a falling knife. Fucking hurts when you try and catch it. You ever think about that? Did you ever put that in your pipe and smoke it? There's RDW. Rocket stocks are green today. How's Palantir doing? That's one that I'm interested in scooping up in a market recovery. I wonder how JT's doing today. I wonder if he went and played blackjack yesterday. Gemini, this is one I told you to not invest in. And boy, howdy, was I right. I said, if you want a guaranteed way to lose money, invest in Gemini. Disembarkation day. That means like the ship. Aren't you coming into harbor this morning, or has that already happened? And it disembarks for the weekend tonight. I'm assuming it comes in early for a quick turnaround in the afternoon. How did that poop water taste? Rocket plays never sound juicy to you still. Maybe when SpaceX. Right now, nothing. I'm watching plenty of stuff. The final process of you're in the process. You're getting ready to leave the ship. Is that like a word you learned while you're on your cruise? Your cruise word of the day? Yeah, leaving now. That sucks. Nothing like tying one on a Thursday night and then getting kicked out for a walk of shame early Friday morning. So what time did you get on? Was it like Tuesday around 1? Tuesday around 1 to 4 maybe? So you had Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night. But you don't even really get 3 full days. You get like 2 days, 2.75 days, 3 nights. What a scam. How much did you tip out? Like is the tip out already part of your package? But you add extra? I remember we had to leave cash when I did it. You put cash on the pillow and it goes to like 3 different people. One thing I'll say about a cruise, I doubt it hasn't changed, man, but them motherfuckers are like creepers because you leave your cabin and you could come back 5 minutes later and that shit's spotless. Tuesday, Wednesday, 30, yes, 2 full days. Tip is charged at checkout. So it's no longer a cash transaction. A lot of scandalous shit probably happened with that. Yeah, you leave your cabin, you come back you can leave your cabin just to go grab a slice, come back 5 minutes later, and that shit's spotless with the mint on your pillow. Them motherfuckers are ninjas. I had one of those shitty, like, I shared a cabin with a stranger, and it was basically a pretty small cabin, bunk bed type shit. For all I know, the dude roofied me and had his way with me. I do remember feeling walking around a bit sore. I remember spending a ton of money on booze. Yeah. You should have. Yeah. Yeah, it was a weird situation. I had a girlfriend and I went on the cruise with their parents. So obviously, this is when I was like, 20, mid 20s. She was early 20s. They weren't having it. Hell nah. Yeah. It was gay as hell, bro. The cruise was fun, but it was gay because of that. Sometimes you have to make sacrifices. I'd rather stick a toothpick in your dick hole. That's a bit extreme. Can't even shit or fart in peace. That dude was off blowing dudes. I don't even really remember it. I was probably drunk and sleeping and at ports and shit, doing shaking and baking. There wasn't as many activities back then as you have now with like golf and all this other shit. Let's go run a mod cruise. Yeah, hungover. Mods only, and we try to bang his. I should check in on my trade. How we doing? Oh no, that turned ugly fast. This is doing exactly what I expected not to happen. Gosh darn it. Ugh. I need to take this off, but I don't want to be a bitch. I'm down $500. Why do I do this? I mean, I'm up for the day. I can say, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This is getting ugly fast. Yeah, I gotta work Monday. Oh no. Oh no. Come on, please. Market crash. I'm gonna see Chris over there laughing. Oh, I told you the bottom's in. You get Monday off? President's Day is not really a normal day people get off unless you're maybe in education, the government. Getting smacked with another dose of why do I do dumb shit right now. This is gambling though. This is like JT going to play some blackjack. I said hit me. And right now, the card, I have a 10 and a 6. I said hit me and I haven't seen it yet. I don't know if it's a face card or a 5. Right now, it's looking like a face card. And I got $600 in chips on the bet. I had 300 in. I had a 6 and a 5, and the dealer has a 6. And I said double down. Right now, I have $600 on the line, and it's getting worse. And that I got a 2. Dealer's got a 5. Or did I say a 6? I don't know if a 5's coming or if the paint's coming. Is the paint coming? Oh, shit. That just escalated fast. That just jumped up like 30 points quick. I should just sell this and walk away. I mean, buy it back and take the loss. Turn it around, go the other way. I mean, that would be just as stupid. I'd be down $7,000. This was a regular Bitcoin back. Oh man, we're pumping right now, boys. I'm getting destroyed. Oh, this is painful. I feel like this is going to continue to go up. Yeah, Bitcoin's pumping pretty hard. It's up 3,700. Maybe I should trade some Bitcoin. Short it right here. Let's take a look. You're an idiot if you short it here, Tom. No, it's in a fib. This is what I put my money where my mouth is. That is shorted Bitcoin. Chris is shaking his head. You might be right. I'm down $13 just like that. I might add. I'm just getting waxed today, bro. I'm worse than me, Kevin, lately. I can't remember the last time I made a winning trade. Flushing my retirement down the drain right now, guys. Nope. I'm gonna watch that Knights of the Seven Kingdoms this weekend. Wait for it. This guy's been talking a lot about Redwire. Meet Shardy, or Shardy's like, stop saying like. Shardy is out of the office. That's Billy. That's no way. Bro, that looks like some pretty, like I could get. Everyone putting their political opinions on fucking TikTok, bro. JT in the house. Did you go gambling yesterday, brother? Successfully round trip the whole bull market. Yep, that's me. I don't even know who that is. I went gambling this morning and said that was quick. I was only there for 20 minutes, got bored that quick, and didn't. Oh, wow. My way home right now, I stop and pick up. Hell yeah. At least you got out of the house, you did something. Even if you didn't, even if you got bored quick. Now you know. If you didn't go, you wouldn't know. Now you know. Silver linings. I can get out now, only down 400. I was down 700 a second ago. I don't know what's going to happen. I almost bitched out $400 ago. I mean, I almost bitched out when I was only down 100, and then next thing you know, I'm down 700. So, am I making a mistake? It's a mistake. I think the Bitcoin trade's pretty sound. That NASDAQ? I don't know. What do you like to play? He likes blackjack. But he didn't like it today. We had a whole discussion yesterday. He was all excited to go play blackjack, and then I talked about how I would not enjoy it, and then he got a little like, I think you're right, man. So he went with a bad attitude this morning. He didn't have a chance. Who goes and plays blackjack? I mean, I guess it's 10 in the morning. Who the fuck thinks it's a good idea to go play blackjack at 10 in the morning? I mean, unless you're still there from a nice overnight run. He just said he didn't lose any money. That sounds like fun to you. What does fun sound like? I played roulette. Oh. Yeah, roulette's a fool's game. Play red and double down on every loss. It worked for that bitch in Landman. That was a masterpiece in cinema that's going to get a few people. Oh, wow, that's amazing. She put down 2,000. Next thing you know, she had like 500,000 on the line and finally won. Got her 2,000 back. And then, I don't know, she bet 7 times in a row. It was just retarded. And won 500,000 or some shit. Or 384,000. The thing I hate about putting these trades on, these future trades, I'm just sitting here obsessed watching it. I'm just obsessed watching it and just want to get out flat. Like, well, how is that a way to spend your morning, bro? I get bored and I just do something stupid. Now I'm sitting here hoping I can just get out flat at this point. But if it drops, then I'll be like, ooh, maybe I can go green. It was up 150. I could have, would have doubled down again. That's just degen behavior. No one in Rumble today. So far, it looks like I got only one viewer in stream. That can't be right. Because JT, and unless JT left already, turn off the stream. Hit the Waffle House. Where's Dino? Probably playing fucking Arc Raiders. He's so addicted to that game. Let me see if he's in his little gay ass Arc Raiders chat. Nope, he's not online on Discord. He might actually be working. Driving those trains around. You don't drive trains, you conduct them. I don't know. That's a pretty weird thing to lose your shit over. People get these certain things, like he's in the industry. You don't, that's a thing in the industry. It has to be, right? You don't drive trains, you conduct them. Is the thing going forward? Can it go in reverse? You're driving that bitch. Is there a steering wheel? No, maybe not. But there's got to be a lever or a button that tells it to go forward. And if you can hit buttons and shit to make it, oh, I guess that's conduct. Who gives a fuck? You're going to really lose your shit over me saying drive a train? You got issues. Is it driving forward? Drive. What is the definition of drive? Now I'm the one that's. If drive in any way means moving in a direction, to urge, push, or force onward. Are you conducting a train and the end result is it goes forward? To direct the movement or course of as a vehicle. You know what? I was going to ask Rock. I was going to ask our Supreme Overlord, why do people lose their shit when you say drive a train? I bet you didn't expect me to ask it like that. Have a good one, Ricky. No, I don't even know if I'll be here Monday. Because it sounds exactly like a very crude no. No, I mean train people that say you don't drive a train, you conduct it. Ricky missing out on the hot alpha. Controlling conductor. This leads to the classic rail nerd railroader response. You operate it. Is that what that maybe that's what Dino says? You operate it. Professional pride, insider terminology, annoyance, a bit of gatekeeping fun. But it is accurate to say you drive a train. Yeah, fuck you, Dino. And all you railroad nerds. All you foamers. You guys know what a foamer is? Foamers sit on the railroad by the railroad tracks and watch the trains go by and foam at the mouth when something rare comes by, like a rare caboose. I don't even think they have cabooses anymore. A rare engine. Oh, that's a 1950 red top. It depends on the region. In North America, the preferred title is locomotive or just engineer. Professionals, confusion, and every drive a train gets the point across fine. Especially actually stick to the regional norm. Fuck them. They can stick to my regional nuts. Oh, let's go. Let's go, baby. I'm almost green on my NASDAQ trade. I should just take the fucking loss now. This is concerning that I can't sustain a rally. What are we going to do? I'm almost green, bros. I almost panic sold at an $800 loss. I can basically get out flat right now. I can get out at a profit. Are you kidding me? How does daddy do it? Is this my chance? Should I take it? I want to see what we can do. Oh, now we're down 40. Ooh. Is this the rug pull? Yank it. Flush it. Flush it. Uh-oh. I don't know if it wants to flush. I kind of just want to sell one. All right, we're going to get out. Oh, we're up. Oh, I should have left it. Oh, we're up just fine. Do I leave it? Oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know that it's going to flush. Just get out. Next thing you know, I hold this over the fucking weekend. Uh-oh, it didn't fill. Oh, it filled. Oh, wait, I still have it. Oh, it filled. All right, I got out. How did I do? Whoa, I lost money. Oh, I got to get back in. I got to make that loss back. Oh, it didn't fill. There it filled. Oh, shit. That blasted up fast. All right, get out. What is going on? Yeah, it's getting ahead of me. I should have just taken my little tiny loss. That has cost me like another $80. I might keep the Bitcoin trade on. Well, I just had my little $120 of fun. See how quickly I gambled $120, JT? Couple button clicks. If I lost $120 at 6 hours of blackjack, I'd feel a lot shittier. I do have a lot of, like, I'm going to revenge trade this again. All right. I do kind of want to see. I shorted 1 MBT. How much I lose if it goes up 10 grand? I lose $1,000. Bitcoin gaps up $10,000 over the next 3 days. I'd be down $1,000. 20,000. I'd be down 22 grand. I won't be happy about it, but it's not gonna wipe me out. On the flip side, it's probably not gonna tank. Well, I mean, it's got a better chance of tanking 10 grand, I think, than, because the velocity to the downside is usually pretty much worse. Today was in a master class of what not to do in the stock market. I should change my title. Today was a master class on how to be stupid in the stock market. I do that just to prove to you, just to show you, so that you don't make those mistakes. I make the mistakes so that you don't make them. That right there is worth a like. I can't remember the last time I asked for a like. Let's see how you guys have probably been pretty lazy with that shit too. I gotta crack that whip. View count's pretty pathetic. The like count is pathetic as fuck, bro. Oh, some of these are pretty good. 10 likes? Holy shit. I must ask for likes that day. 642 views and only 10 likes? That's not a good ratio. Oh, there was some dislikes. Get due to popular demand, selling all and deleting channel. People dislike because I didn't actually delete the channel. Go find a content creator that is transparent as me. Not going to happen. Maybe. Maybe being transparent's not good. Maybe I just should scam and lie. Only tell you about my winnings and get you to buy my courses and alert channels and signal my signals. That's just Tom signals flashing. All right, boys and girls. Time to grind. I'm working for the weekend. Got the urge to short the NASDAQ. No real good reason. Bitcoin 68.6. SPX up 14, trying to rally. The cube 602. Thanks. I don't know if there's a fib here. Let's see. There's a fib at 616. No? Is this where Meet Kevin's getting his 617? Is this what I've been missing? Is it time for me to apologize? 615. No. Try and get this perfect. Give him every benefit of the doubt. 621. 16, 14. I can't even round up. But there being a fib there is why he can call it his 617 successful. I just proved how stupid Meet Kevin is at technical analysis. Wait, did I miss a candle? I might have missed a candle here. Oh, I did. Oh, okay. There's a chance. Maybe I can go back to apologizing. 615. Nope, made it worse. But still good enough for Meet Kevin work. 602, nothing. There is a line at 602. You can round down. So maybe he just did a bad job of drawing the Fibonacci thingy on his lame ass stock charts that he does, and that's how he got 617. I'll give it. There you go. Meet Kevin is amazing. All right, boys and girls, hit the like, hit the subscribe. I don't know if I'm going to stream Monday. Maybe not. Have a great weekend.